What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's go ahead and introduce you to my next project, and it's the 1969 Camaro Z28 RS from Revell. This kit's been out for quite some time. I had it in my stash for a long time. I actually did an unboxing video on this kit like 2-3 years ago, but never built it. So we're gonna go ahead and get it built, and we're gonna show you my plans. We're not doing too much for this kit. And the reason why we're building it is, for one, I kind of wanted to do it because I built this kit a long time ago before I started my YouTube channel, and of course it did not turn out good. Got glue on the windows, paint was kind of messed up, so I kind of want to redeem myself with this kit. And for two, it's actually one of the themes for the Fulton show coming this November. The theme is Camaros, so very cool. So there's the body, it looks really nice. So that's that. We're basically gonna keep this kit mainly box stock, except we're gonna change one thing. And we got the clear chrome parts, looks really nice. So this engine in this kit comes with a dual carb engine, big block Chevy engine, which is pretty cool, but that's the only thing I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change out the engine. The wheels, I am gonna keep these wheels. Most of you will be like, wow, that's really surprising, because literally every kit I build, I put on different wheels no matter what. But for this one, I absolutely just die hard these wheels, these stock wheels. They look so good. And then I went ahead and mocked one up right here. They look really, really nice. So Revell, they actually sized these wheels and tires up really nicely. And they actually, you know, Revell did a good job sizing these wheels and tires. They fit nice in the wheel wells, and I do want Goodyear decals or Goodyear or Firestone lettering on there. So I had some AMT ones in my stash, but they were a bit too big and they stuck out way too down. So I want this car to be a little bit lower, like, you know, stock ride height, but not, I don't want any higher than the stock ride height. So what I did is Mike's decals came in clutch again. I did not know Mike's had these. He legitimately had like a crap ton of like Firestone, Goodyear. I could you not. I ordered a lot. There's four sheets in here, five. There's 5 different letters in here from Goodyear and Firestone, BF Goodrich, but I ordered 3 sets of each, so I stocked up. So yes, now we're gonna be doing white lettering on here, because Revell, you know, they don't do any licensing on their tires anymore, because, you know, it costs us too much, and, you know, I'll probably do the same thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of these side, or of the tread pattern, and hopefully Google should tell me either it's Goodyear or Firestone. So it looks like Firestone to me. I'm not quite sure, but we'll see. But cool, we're going to go with the stock wheels and tires in this kit. Then we got all the grill and stuff. Really cool kit. This kit's really nice, and people say they love this kit because one of Revell's best kits. Then we get the interior pieces. I'm not doing anything to the interior. The interior is going to keep stock with the seats and everything, and even the steering wheel. The hood has a really nice bulge to it, so super nice. I mean, the firewall is so detailed. We can easily detail wire those wires and stuff that goes to there. And here is the stock engine. It's a big block Chevy, but again, like I said, it's a dual carb. So, and I don't want a dual carb. I do want a single carb. So we'll show you my engine plan here in a sec. And then you do have the grill for the Yanko Camaro, which is pretty cool, but you're not doing that. But I do like the Z28 better, the front end better, in my opinion. But maybe we'll do the Yanko Camaro one of these days, because Revell just reissued it a couple years ago. Here's the chassis. The seats are really nice. They're super accurate. And the chassis, everything's separate. We are going to shave out the lettering down here. So, but other than that, chassis all separate. And then here is basically all your chassis, your axle, front suspension, radiator, fan, shroud, back of the seats, dashboard. Now I don't think there's any gauge crosser decals in this kit. Or yeah, I looked and there wasn't any, so we can probably source some through my parts bin. And then in the interior bucket, it looks like it's all molded in one piece, but it's not, because your door panel is separate, the seat is separate, even the back seat is separate, which is super cool. Your pedals are only thing molded in separate or in there, and your speakers. So literally all you have to do is just paint this whatever color your interior wants to be, and just like put sticky glue in here, or not sticky, but you know, like glue or sticky paint, and just flock the thing, and you're all set, and everything's separate. So really cool. This kit is really nicely detailed. So let's go ahead and show you my engine plant. Here she is. She is a big black Chevy engine, but a single carb. I did not want no dual carb, even though the dual carb is pretty cool, but we are doing a single carb. But I do want to do, because the single carb is more common. I think a dual carb was optional. I don't really know, because most pictures I've seen were single carbs. We are doing a manual transmission, so really cool. So I got three different sizes, or I don't know why I have three. I just put in the 3 transmissions the file I had. So we got the, you know, the heads. Now it comes, the engine file came with these filters, which I might not do, and I'll show you why here in a sec, because I do have different filters. Oil pan, and here is our single carb intake. So really cool. So I do want to do a single carb. And then here is the other small accessories. We did put up some Chevrolet badge filters. So there's 3 different ones. This one's folded in, this one's partially folded in, says Chevrolet in it, and this one's just open. So very cool. So we're going to choose between one of those 3 filters. Then of course we got our valve covers, our timing chain cover, and you know, all that small little stuff, which I don't want to take out of the bag because I don't want to clean up right now. But we got our fan, alternator, single carb, belts and pulleys, everything, exhaust headers, or manifolds. We did put up some shifters, so really cool. I believe there is a shifter in this kit. I believe this kit comes with a manual transmission from the engine, so we're good on that. So that's the only thing we're doing. We're just putting a different engine in this bad boy, and everything else is going to be box stock. The color, might be wondering, but we're going to do something completely different. We're doing a nice little purple. There is a color name right there, and this is a really, like not like a dark purple, but sort of dark purple. It looks really nice. I did look at some purple, you know, Camaros from this year, and they look really nice. So we're gonna do a nice dark purple, and in the kit it comes with black or white stripes for it. We're gonna go ahead and do the white stripes on it. So really cool. And for the interior, we're gonna just do a nice basic black interior. So that's it for that. But other than that, guys, that's it for my next build. We're gonna get cracking on this probably today. We're gonna crack it on today and this weekend and stuff. So shouldn't be too much cleanup. The body is really nicely molded. We are gonna scrub out the panel lines. They're pretty shallow, so we're gonna get those filled out. This body is gonna need a lot of chrome, so a lot of bare metal foil work is gonna be done. So not too big a deal. Then I believe, yeah, this is chrome down here on the fenders. So that's gonna be that's gonna be fun. it should be okay, because there's a pretty good gap there where we can just, you know, run our selective blade to. But very cool. But alright, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you will stick around for it, and until my next video, we'll catch you guys next time.